YouTube? Today I got this 2012 Kia Forte. The customer's complaining of no brake lights. The only one that's working is this high mount third brake light is what I like to call it. I'm going to show you how to change these assemblies today because that's the problem. And I'll show you what the problem is when I get the assembly out. And it's a common issue on these. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so we continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. I'll give y'all some light here. Alright, they're on. First thing you're going to do is open your trunk, obviously. I'm going to pull back on this little cover right here. See how the bulb's just hanging out? And see when I wiggle it, how it comes on? The pigtail's all broken, burnt. So what we're going to do is unplug it first. Push in the little tab and pull out. Now you're going to take what should be three. This one's missing one, whatever that's about. And then take you a little flathead action. Pull it out. Now there is a left and right one, so you got to make sure you match them up. This looks like the left one. You're going to want to slide this over that little tab right there. While guiding those studs in. Probably should have filled that first because it wraps around. Alright, let's try that again. Alright. So I'll probably try to dig her up a bolt for that third one. Alright, that's tight. Good thing is if you get these from the dealership, I mean I might be wrong, you might be able to get them online too. They come with the bulbs and everything already in there. So, and it's on. Boom. I'm going to turn that off. We know it works now, so. And the same principle is for this side as well, so I'm not going to show y'all how to do both because it's the same way on both sides. The assemblies are clocked the other way, so make sure you match them up. But here's why. See how burnt it is? Because the little tabs on the pigtail broke off and there was no way to mount it, so it was just kind of leaning up against there and getting hot. And I can't seat the new bulb in it, so we had to sell her both taillight assemblies. So it is what it is. Things happen, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I hope you like this video. I'm gonna go find her another bolt for that. I'm not gonna record that, but anyways, y'all subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.